How big is the universe? What will be at the edge of the universe? This video will reveal the answer for you. Now we are about to embark on the journey from Earth to the far reaches of the solar system, then to the Milky Way, through a massive supercluster of galaxies, finally reaching the edge of the universe, and cover the ultimate mystery about the edge of the universe. The first stop on our journey is the Moon. The Moon is also called Status. Early in the morning in 1969, Apollo moon landing astronaut Armstrong on the surface of the Moon, leaving the first human footprints. Then came to Venus. The atmosphere of Venus is 96% carbon dioxide, causing an extreme greenhouse effect, makes its surface temperature reach a terrifying 462 degrees Celsius. Sometimes at night you are in the southwest direction, saw a very bright star. It's basically Venus. And Mercury is the smallest of the octopus planets. It is also the one closest to the Sun. The reason why the Sun emits light and heat like a fireball. It's a fusion reaction going on inside all the time. However, nuclear fuel will burn out one day. Then the Sun will come to an end. The Earth is a planet close to the Sun in the third season. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is recorded as an astronomical unit, about 150 million kilometers. At this distance, sunlight needs to travel for 8 minutes to reach the surface of the Earth, and Mars as a desert planet. Although the surface is full of hills and history, but Mars also happens to be in the habitable zone. It still has an environment similar to the Earth. Therefore, it has also become a key research object in many countries. And after passing through the asteroid belt, there's Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant. It doesn't have a solid surface. This great red spot in the shape of a goose egg. It's a massive anticyclonic storm. The area of coverage can even be lowered by 2 or 3. Earth, then Saturn. See these countless little ice cubes? This is what Saturn's rings are made of. And in July 2013, the Cassini spacecraft was exploring Saturn. This photo of Saturn and Earth was taken. This tiny blue dot is our planet. Then in the outer reaches of the solar system, it's Uranus and Neptune. These are twin planets. Also belongs to the ice giant star, due to the presence of methane gas in the atmosphere. Therefore, it gives them their unique color. In this way, the 8 planets are centered on the Sun, the celestial system that makes up the solar system. As we continue to march towards the edge of the universe, we'll find the entire solar system. It's just a little bit of light. Every tiny dot of light here are stars like the Sun. Each star is orbiting a self-rotating star. We look further. There are more than 200 billion stars here. Each one shines brightly, and together make up the vast Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is a much larger celestial system. Its diameter is about 100,000 light years. The Earth is in the outer regions, every time night falls. This milky white galaxy that spans the sky. In fact, it is part of the wall of the Milky Way galaxy. As we continue to 0.50 million light years, and this is Andromeda. This is the nearest large galaxy to the Milky Way, and there's a trillion stars inside. But still, the giant Andromeda galaxy and the Milky Way, it is part of a local group of galaxies. This small colony of about 50 galaxies. That's the local group of galaxies that we're in. However, look further. Local group, by the same Virgo. A small part of a supercluster of galaxies. Here are 100 galaxy clusters and groups of galaxies. A larger group. Each of the bright spots is a massive galaxy, including our own Milky Way galaxy, which is also a bright spot here. But still, compared to the vastness of space, the female supercluster is just the tip of the iceberg. Now we're speeding up to the edge. You see almost all of them along the way, galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. So the total number of stars in the universe may be more than. There is more sand than all the beaches on Earth. And because of the distance and the limited speed of light, the sunlight you see is from 8 minutes ago. The Andromeda galaxy you see here, more than 2.5 million years ago. Then as long as you go far enough into the universe, is this the beginning of the universe? Before passing through these galaxies and reaching the edge, we're seeing galaxies forming. it also witnessed the birth of the first giant stars. And with it comes the oldest light in the universe. Now, we're almost at the end of this journey. What is the edge of the universe? The answer is right in front of you. In infinite density. It's infinitely small. The temperature is infinitely high. Point with infinite spacetime rate. This is the edge of the universe. 13.80 billion years ago. What the universe looked like before it was born. In 1927, Belgian astronomer Lemaitre. The Big Bang theory was first proposed. It's one of the most influential theories of modern cosmology. And that's when there's a big explosion. Only time and space. There was light and the universe itself. And the debris ejected from the explosion created all the celestial bodies in the universe today. Light from the Big Bang is still traveling today. Planck of the European Space Agency Space Telescope recorded in detail. This is the cosmic microwave background radiation. It's the universe, the strongest evidence that the Big Bang ever happened. When we reach the true edge of the universe, realizing the smallness of the Earth and the vastness of the universe, tell the truth, even if the Earth suddenly disappeared, will have no impact on the universe itself. So in that case, ultimately, each of us appears in the vast universe. And for what?